Okay, Portenta Pro Community Solutions, .7 coding curriculum, .71 SOS we did, and I showed you how to install the Portenta Pro Community Solutions library in your Arduino. So we're going to do this one, .72, and if you've got it installed, it's simply there, .72, it loads it up. I always like to just flash it right away. I can check the port. It is on COM40, and we've got the chow. Why am I not using the Portenta? Because I really like the chow, and it's a $5 microcontroller. Not all my code in my Maker 100 course will work on it, but definitely these will. Let's load up the serial monitor. See, enter something. Okay, so this code is telling me to enter something. I'm going to enter cool. And it said, you did not enter high. Enter something. Okay, I'm going to enter cool high. And now it says you entered cool high, so it's correct. I'm doing input and output. Computers need input output so that you know what's going on. Often with robotics, we use the little LED right up here, which is orange, as kind of a, yeah, things are working. But here I've used the serial monitor. And this is the interesting part, 5. You entered high at location 5. Well, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you start counting with 0, that is location 5. Let's count. Let's just put that in there. That's at location 0. By the way, let's try capital H, capital I, and you did not enter HI small letter, so it's case sensitive. Okay, so let's have a look at the code. Global variables. These are ones that work throughout the program. String, my incoming, I have set it to have nothing in it. And then an integer, my location, set to be 0. Setup, we've got our typical start the serial monitor. And then this, I really don't like this line because a lot of the code we do, we don't need the serial monitor. And what this does is it breaks or holds your code until the serial monitor is loaded up. This means while it's not serial, do nothing. Between the brackets is all the code we're supposed to do. It's doing nothing. So here's the main loop. It says enter something, just like it does here. It says enter something. And then here's another freeze code. So while serial available equals none, this tells you how many bytes are available. No bytes are available, do nothing. Then it'll let that go once some bytes are available. So my incoming equals serial read string. It reads the entire string instead of typically we read one character at a time, and then it prints it out. So you entered high. By the way, lots of string reference here. You could probably just click on that to get there. Notice I'm not using 2 uppercase, and that's why the capital H, capital I didn't work. So my location is my incoming index of HI, which means let's look through the whole string of what's coming in and find the HI, the first HI. Now, if my location is greater than 0 or equal to 0, because -1 means it didn't find anything, 0 meant the location was the 0th location. So if it's greater than or equal to 0, it prints you found high at this location, else it prints you did not find high. I haven't taught if statements yet, but they're quite intuitive. And then it sets my incoming back to be nothing, which might not be needed because this is entering it to be the read string, but better be safe than sorry. And then it just prints this thing to delineate between this set of commands and another set of commands. That's really it. Have a good day. Input, output. Getting stuff into a computer, getting stuff out of the computer.